Greetings, ITCE students, and welcome to week number 9, video number 1. And this video covers slides 1 through 4. So this week what we're going to be doing is we're going to take the first few minutes of class time to look at those training reflections. I'm going to invite you to show and share what you did, whether you identified some universal design for learning strategies from the video that you could use to help people in your workshop, or if you did the video tutorial, to share that link so that we can see what our classmates did and invite you to give some feedback to each other. Then we're going to move into diversity. So this week is diversity and inclusion. And we're going to talk about what is diversity, and lots of different ways we can be diverse, and then talk about why a diverse workforce is important to a business. And the way you're going to be assessed or evaluated on this topic, I put a note in DC Connect, you'll see on the content page for this week, is in that final mock interview assessment, I'm going to ask you a question about diversity and expect you to reference what you've learned this week. We'll talk about how businesses can plan to be diverse. We'll talk about what is inclusiveness and some strategies that you can actually use. So we'll watch one of the TED Talk videos during class time, and it talks about, how to make sure you are the inclusive person in meetings or in your work group or in your class. And then depending on class, how the class is running, how much time we have left, we'll do a cultural diversity small group activity. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in class, and if not, continue to scroll through and watch the videos.